Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to be installing the Stampede snap-in side wind deflectors on this 2019 new body style Ram 1500. Now, you want to do this installation between 70 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go ahead and get started. So now what we want to do is go ahead and get it dry fit into place. Now you will notice that the red tape is going to be facing towards the inside of the track. Take note of where that's going to be, because when we pull this away, we're going to need to buff the inside of that track with our Scotch-Brite pad and then wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. Now the window frame is prepped, I've gone ahead and pulled away the tape on each side so I can slide it in place. Now as I slide it in place, I'm going to bear in a little bit so that it's not grabbing the window frame while I get it in place. You'll also notice that the tape I've pulled to where it's hanging down so I can grab a hold of the tape once it's in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull to get the tape to adhere to the frame. Next we can go ahead and start working that tape in increments and set it in place. And all I'm doing is pulling this tape into the window frame. All right, now we're going to go ahead and insert our C1 clips into the window frame. These are designed to hold the window frame apart so it doesn't create any kind of a bind when the window goes up. What we do is set it in place, take a flat blade screwdriver, and just push it in. Let's do that same thing to the front. All right, now we need to go ahead and put up the window and leave it up for 72 hours, but in order to do that, this window has a bounce back feature, so to keep that from engaging, we're going to need to gently pull back on the visor and very slowly bump the window up until it's in place. If it senses resistance, it will push back down. Just work with it until it gets back into place. The rear visor is going to install almost exactly the same way as the front. We're still going to go ahead and buff the interior of that window channel with our Scotch-Brite pad, then wipe it down with our alcohol prep pad. Once we have everything peeled back and insert everything, we're going to use the C-clip only on the front edge of the visor, not on the rear. All right, now we can go ahead and put up the rear window just like we did the front. Now just repeat the exact same process on the opposite side, and that will conclude the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.